Hello everyone. Today I want to talk a bit about Microsoft Visual Studio Xamarin. So here's the synopsis of the problem. So uh, Microsoft Visual Studio, when you install Xamarin, they give you a simulator. And to launch a simulator or to look at the list of simulators that you have, you click on this icon here, a mobile phone icon with the play buttons. The name is called Android Device Manager. When you click on it, it gives you a selection of all your pre-configured Android simulator. So I have 3 simulators here. But when you try to load this device manager after a few seconds, they give you a pop-up error message saying device manager, Android SDK instance could not be loaded. Please check your internet connection. Now I know that my internet connection is working just fine. If I were to ping Google, there you go, I can talk to Google, which means everything is fine. This is not something to do with internet connection issues. Now, if you have this problem, the way to mitigate this problem would be to actually go to your SDK manager here on this icon here. You click. It should come up with a regular SDK tools, but the connection will fail. So what you do is that you go to the bottom right hand corner of this window here, you click on it, go to repository, go Google unsupported, and once you do that, you can see that your SDK manager is talking now. So if you go back to your device manager tool here, now you are able to launch your simulator just like that. Well, I hope this very short tutorial helps you with this issue. All right, have a good day. Bye.